Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me.
We are back with another video in our stationery business series. Today we are going to be talking about uploading a phone case, a pillow, and a tote bag. Initially, I was going to use merch by Amazon, but I'm going to use Threadless. And I'll tell you guys a little later why. But if you are new here to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So much great things coming up on my channel to finish out the year. So make sure you are tuned in and getting all of this goodness that's going on. We're going to go over to Threadless. So I have been uploading on Threadless for a while. I have yet to make any income, but I've also not spent a lot of time on it. Yesterday, I was actually uploading a lot of stuff and I realized, oh, they have the products I need to finish the stationery biz series. I was like, let me use Threadless. Now, the reason I won't be using Amazon merch, even though I had already recorded the video and was ready to order the products, is because my merch by Amazon account was terminated. If you follow my podcast, make sure you go over and check out season 6, episode 10, and I'll tell you all about what happened in season 7 and also on my YouTube channel. I'll probably be going into a little bit more details with screenshots, dates, and all of that great stuff. This is the Threadless website. I'll make sure I leave a link for you guys to sign up to Threadless in the description box. But I already have an account, and of course, with the stationery business, I've been pretty much using the same design for everything. Once you sign in, this is like their dashboard. I do have a video to show you how to sign up and how to upload your first product. I am going to go over to my shop dashboard where you can see I've been uploading some of my coins and connections designs. They are not all live right now because I do have to do some tweaking to it. You would go over and hit add your product. The product is going to be small business owner. And I believe in SEO. I do a lot of times put my business name in the title. Now we're going to go over and upload our design. I'm going to go to downloads, going to find that small business owner design, and I'm going to upload that. Here I do black. Let me tell you a little trick that I learned. This might not be a trick, but after uploading so much yesterday, I learned a little thing, okay, or two. My background color, the main one is going to be white since I have black text. This is not mature content. So we're going to scroll down here where you select your products. You're going to click on this arrow, and then you're going to click on it again. Once you click on that arrow, you're going to scroll past these back images, front images, unless you have like a black press in front and back. Here is where you can go ahead and choose most of your colors. So for this black design, I'll probably do the whites. I'll do light grays, which is like heather gray and things like that. I like dark blues like royal. I like different reds. And I'll probably do like a yellow because they have like a mustard. And then I'll do ivory because they have like that cream color. Then I hit select all because I want it on all of the men's product. Select all because I want it on all the women's product. Select all because I want it on all the kids stuff. It's already selected for home. If I want all the accessories, I'm going to select all. This is all the products that'll be on. You see zip pouch, weekend bag, and things like that. So these things right here, if you want it on there, you'll have to upload a different image. Like if I want the socks, I would have to change my file size to fit the socks, the shoes, the woman's leggings, which probably won't look good with small business owner on there, a backpack, and a duffel bag. Now, these are all your choice. But for this, because of the things that I want to get for my print on demand stationery business from here, does not have anything to do with those products. I'm just going to leave those blank. Now, if these are things you want on your business page and you have like designs that are patterns or something like that, it would be smart for you to go ahead and make sure you download the templates and change the sizing and upload it to these products. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit create products. And on the next page, what you'll see is where you go into like your description and things like that and all of your tags to start getting your product done. Once you're done with all your tags and stuff, then you'll be able to actually make your product live. I don't know if it's just my computer, but it was taking a long time to upload. So now we are on this page where we see the product image, and what I'm really going to do is probably just copy and paste this Note that this is not what you should do. You should add more information to your description, but for time purposes and things like that, I just want to keep it simple. Trust and believe, I do go back when I'm creating stuff and I do add descriptions and I do make sure my thoughtful tags are, done. Here it gives you the option to add a charity or a cause for your business. I did on my Protect Black Women and Silence is Consent one, I added a charity for Black Lives Matter. Here you can also add collaborators to your product if I don't know if they have to be on Threadless, but you have the option to do that. And then you have your tags. I'll do stuff like small business owner. I'll probably do entrepreneur and maybe like boss mom. Eventually I will add more to this, but again, for time, we want to go ahead and just keep it simple. I'll hit save updates. But here, what you can see is an overview of all your products. You can make sure that the design looks good. I'm going to go over to home because we are looking for the pillow, the tote bag, and then the phone case. I want to make sure that those 3 products that I am going to purchase looks good. I'm going to go over to accessories just to make sure that the products that I want to purchase from here looks good, the sizing is great, and things like that. But here's the phone case, so that looks good and it'll be added to my shop. So I'll buy the phone case from here. And see, like, if you see something like this that doesn't look good, you might want to go back in and edit it. They do have journals, and here's the tote bag. The tote bag looks good. And like what I said with the adjust-a-file thing. Okay, and then they have a weekend bagger and a laundry bag, duffel bag, but we don't have those in there. And let me go to home to see if they had the pillow in there, or where is the pillow? The pillow is in one of these, so might be an overview. Here is the throw pillow here, and I'll go ahead and add all of those. And if you saw down there, there was like a spiral journal. I'll go ahead and make this product live on my shop. And then I'll probably go here and hit view so I can see it. I have my small business owner stuff and it has the collection. So it has home there. If I wanted to scroll down and go to the throw pillow, I can do that. And then here's a little thing. It says, hey, shop owner, order your own products at $16.75 base cost. Discount automatically applied at checkout and get free shipping on all orders over $25. So here is the throw pillow. Let's make sure. I think it's just a cover. You would insert your stuff inside it. I'll probably go ahead and get a 14 by 14. I'm going to add that to my cart. And then I believe the other stuff was in accessories. I'll go ahead and go down and I'll find the phone case. And then I have an iPhone X. So I don't know the difference between slim and tough, but it does tell you the base costs. So slim. I'm gonna order the tough. Well, I'll just order the slim. I don't know. I ordered the slim. And then also, what am I getting? No bag. Let's see. The tote bag. I'll get the tote bag and I'll add that to cart, and that's a base price of $13.75. All right, let's go look at my cart, because I am a business owner. So this one will be one of the most expensive orders I've done, even though these are the prices at the base cost for my brand. I would end up spending $53. Now, I believe that merch probably would have been cheaper. Also remember that Zazzle has phone cases, tote bags, and pillowcases as well. I just wanted to be able to provide different options for you guys to be able to do this on different websites. It's really just to show you that you can set up a stationery business on a print-on-demand site because it has a lot of the products that most people will look for in a stationery business when it goes to like greeting cards and magnets and stickers and things like that. T-shirts, if that's what you want to do. I just wanted to be able to show you different products from different sites. Don't yell at me because this one is a little bit more expensive. I just wanted you all to be able to get the options and the website does make a lot of money. I just have not made money on Threadless yet, but I wanted to be able to show this business and give you an option as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I believe this is the last stationery business video. Once I do the unboxing for this, I think I'll wrap up the series and I'll start a new series. If you guys have any ideas about series that I should start, let me know. I'll ask. Until then, I'll continue to do my print on demand videos. I do have some print on demand platforms that I do want to explore. I'll be excited to do that. And until next time.
I love you more than I love this video. Peace.